Hi everybody, so today we're going to be talking about this brand called Requil. So this is a brand which is, it's not it's not a completely a cosmetic brand. Neither it's a dermatological brand. It's a combination of two, and they have some very promising products. So I had initially, given a try for the oil-free moisturizer, the Ultra Matte Dry Touch sunscreen, but then they had a sale recently, and guess what? Like, they had a sale for 30% off. Plus, if you buy two products, they also gave away these two for free, which is an amazing buy, right? So I gave them a try for these two products this time. I've already tried these two, but I thought I'll give you a quick review, and also my just a review, not a review because I've not tried these two products, but then I have heard a lot of the bloggers talking about this, so I thought it was just a glance of how this product is. I've also tried this. This is very good. This is something that came free, which is very helpful at this situation. Okay, the first thing that I tried was their oil-free moisturizer, one dabba, which I already have, and it's almost gonna get over. Now, I have a very oily skin, which is acne prone as well, and any oil-free moisturizers always impress me. I've also tried the Mamaearth oil-free moisturizer. It works quite well, and this is also very equivalently good. This has, the ingredient list. I'll just focus on that. It has methyl glucose and all this stuff, and you have to just have a little amount. Last time also I got the sample product, which lasted for like say 2 to 3 months, because I'm going to take a very small amount, and this is very true to its claims. It's very lightweight and it's also fast absorbing. And one thing that I love about this brand is that it is all the products mostly are non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't go and clog your pores, which is very important. Now, majority of these products are priced very fairly. I would not say they're on the higher side, and it will definitely prove to work for what it claims. So this has become my favorite moisturizer right now. Now, the another star product for me was this one, because I already had a sample size which I got from Smitten, and that was amazing. So see, I generally wear primers which are matte based, but still, whenever I wear my sunscreen under the makeup, it is always oily. I don't know how to get over it. I've tried gel based sunscreens and still it becomes oily. Now this controls the oil to a very good extent, and guess what? It has the SPF 50, not the highest SPF, but then with regard to the PA++, the maximum plus you can get is 4 pluses, right? Which means there's the maximum UVA or UVB protection that you could get. So that is there with this sunscreen. Again, it is non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores. It is great for oily skin. So if you are an oily skin person, you're trying different sunscreens, you want some sunscreen that will stay great under your makeup and does not clog your pores nor make your skin oily, I would definitely suggest Requil. Now, coming to this amazing face wash. Now trust me, when I say amazing, it really is amazing. So this is a Fruit AHA face wash. Again, it is non-comedogenic. I'm sorry, this is not just coming in handy. This is non-comedogenic, and it is also soap or sulfate free, and also this is claiming to reduce all the pigmentation and blemishes that you have in your skin, thus making it even skin toned. Now, I have tried this much of the product already. I'm still using this. It's very good. It lathers very well, and at the same time it makes your skin instantly refreshed. You have a very good clear skin immediately. On continuous usage, I really see some of the pigmentation fading away, and I am going to restock this the next time they have a sale. But right now I thought I will get over with this. I also have a few more face washes to get over with, so I didn't order this one this time. But yes, now coming to the two products that I wanted to give a try, I ordered the pre-wash anti-recurrence dandruff lotion. Now I do not have excessive dandruff throughout the year, but then there is some times that I have very stubborn dandruff. It doesn't go away. I feel so itchy, and whatever I do, nothing works. I've tried every single thing that is on the internet. So some of the things do work, like a proper anti-dandruff shampoo definitely works, but still that that itching feeling doesn't go off that easy. And right now what I do is I use the Earth Rhythms that Arnica extract wala soap bar, which is pH balanced, which is actually good for my hair right now because it does, you know, reduce the itchiness of the scalp. But I also wanted to give this a try because it is for itchy, flaky and stubborn dandruff. It has jojoba, sage, fenugreek and tea tree. And I heard the review from some of the bloggers who said that this is very good for their hair with stubborn dandruff, so I thought I'm going to give this a try. Now, another major problem that I always have is acne. It comes up every month once or even more than that sometimes. I don't know how it happens, maybe the hormones. But again, I wanted something to have when it pops out, you know, so that it can go off easily. So this is helps in your breakout management, and also, you know, if you have active acne, you can apply this on top of it. That is what it claims. Both of these I have not tried. I will try it and put it on my Instagram, the quick review of both of these. And this came along free, which is very, useful right now because, come on, we're all looking for hand sanitizers. We've come to an age where how many hand sanitizers is too much of hand sanitizers. That much hand sanitizers we all are having right now. But yes, so these are the products that I have. I do have from Rickwell, and this brand has definitely impressed me. And they've also sent a cute thank you card. Thank you, Rickwell, actually. Such a cute card. And it also says, "Dear patron, thank you for the purchase. You have made a great choice selecting effective and honest cosmeceuticals." So this is what I said, no? It's a pharmaceutical and a cosmetic, both combined wala brand, okay? And we'll be glad to know that every product you purchase buys a midday meal to an underprivileged child, which is amazing. Thank you so much. So if you guys do try this out or have any doubts with regarding to this product, do let me know in the comment section so that I can answer that. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the red subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.